Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn important banking and finance vocabulary in English and Thai. These are useful words and expressions you can use at the bank, at work, while shopping, traveling, or managing money in daily life. Let's improve your English together. Ready? Let's begin. I want to open a bank account. I would like to deposit money. I want to withdraw cash. What is my account balance? Can you help me transfer money? I need to exchange currency. I lost my ATM card. I forgot my PIN number. Can I apply for a loan? I want to check my transaction history. Please update my bank information. I need a new debit card. Can I use online banking? How much is the transfer fee? I would like to close my account. Can you print my bank statement? I need help with mobile banking. My card is blocked. I would like to activate my card. How can I reset my password? Please count the cash carefully. I want to send money abroad. What documents do I need? Can I pay my bills here? I received a payment notification. The ATM is not working. I need small change. Please sign here. Can you explain this bank charge? I want to apply for a credit card. What is the interest rate? When is the payment due? Date? I need a receipt, please. Can I make an appointment with the bank manager? I want to increase my withdrawal limit. My account has been frozen. I would like to report fraud. Can you check this transaction? I transferred money to the wrong account. How long will the transfer take? I need help filling out this form. Can I withdraw money without my card? I would like to open a savings account. Can I use foreign currency here? I want to check the exchange rate. My online banking app is not working. Can I get a copy of my statement? Please verify your identity.
Your transaction was successful. Your payment has been received.
I need to update my phone number. Can I use contactless payment? I want to check my credit balance. How much money can I withdraw today?
Please enter your PIN number. The bank is closed today.
I need customer service assistance. Can you help me open a joint account? I would like to make a payment. Do you accept international cards? I want to cash this check.
Please confirm your account number.
I need a bank reference letter. Can I schedule automatic payments? My payment was declined. I need to cancel this transaction. Can I check my balance at the ATM?
Thank you for using our banking services.